Oliver Twist. Background to the novel. Oliver Twist was set in the Victorian era between 1837 to 1901. This era was a time of development, and London became the most important city in Europe and witnessed the transformation from land to modern urban economy. Many children in the early Victorian times never went to school at all, and more than half of them were unable to read or write. The poorest ended up in a warehouse, which are public institutions set up for people who were unable to support themselves. Here, they housed and fed on public charity. If these people were fit, they would be put to work. The children suffered cruelty at the hands of the workhouse keepers, and this is what Charles Dickens highlighted in this novel. About the novel.
Oliver Twist is Charles Dickens' second novel in 1893, subtitled The Parish Boy's Progress, is probably the best known of all Dickens' work. It was originally published in monthly parts February 1837 to April 1839 in Bentley's Miscellany and sought to bring the public attention to various contemporary social problems, including the workhouse, child labor, and the recruitment of children as criminals. Is a story of an orphan named Oliver. The novel is set against the seamy underside of the London criminal world. The story centers on the main character, orphan Oliver, born in a workhouse and sold into apprenticeship to an undertaker. After escaping, Twist travels to London where he meets the Artful Dodger, a member of a gang juvenile pickpockets led by the elderly criminal Fagin. Oliver is led to pickpocket and is involved in a series of crime, trials, tribunals, till one day his true identity is revealed. He is adopted by Mr. Brownlow and leads a peaceful life in later years. Oliver Twist is notable for its unromantic portrayal by Dickens of criminals and their sordid lives, as well as for exposing the cruel treatment of many orphans in London in the mid-19th century. Dickens explores the kind of life an outcast orphan boy could expect to lead in 1830s London. His work touches on the poverty and social class which is seen to divide society at that time.